Okay. Can I see? Can you see me? I don't know whether you can or not. Let's have a look. I'm not sure actually whether you can. Look from the back. Okay. We're going to need to see up on the top, because these are the skylight that we need to fit it to. Bit difficult really. Need to be further back, or further over maybe. Let's have a look. Shame. One minute. Got an idea. Yeah, that gets us all in, doesn't it now? That gets us in with the skylight. Okay. Right, I think we've set up now. I wish you could shout me and tell me that whether you can see me or not. But anyway, today, multi-purpose rack fan. Manufacturer of this is Titan Technologies. Increased flow efficiency from the previous fan of 80% flow efficiency. Multi-purpose rack fan for the roof windows, which this is a roof window, skylight, what I call a skylight. Now these fans are designed, I believe, to fit, not sure whether it's this way or that way. Me personally, I could do with one fitting that way, but not sure whether this will actually fit that way or not. I think it's going to have to go this way. Looking at it, I was thinking it was going to go that way. There's going to be a big gap here where spiders could get it, and we needed some net on the top. But looking at it, it's designed to go this way, and then these vents, they'd pull over, and yeah. And you know what? I think they've made them. It's either too big or it's going to be bang on the right size. Anyway, this fan that we've got here, it reversible airflow, quickly transfers of heat, quickly heat transfer, low power consumption, thank God, silent operation. Well, if it's quite as what the fridge fans are, they are silent operation. I mean, I've got two sets of fridge fans running on there, two pairs, so there's 4 fans running. Can't hear them. What I can hear is the freezer's running. Wireless remote controller, which is this, which I think is an upgrade. 12 volt AC and DC dual power support. I don't believe there's a transformer with this, so I don't know where they can say it's a dual power support, unless you can wire it directly into the mains and it's got its own transformer in here. I don't know, but it says 12 volt AC and DC dual power support. So let's have a look at it, shall we? Let's get it open and have a look. I'll just tip the fan down, the camera down a bit, so that it can see the table better, while I get the stuff out onto the table. Okay, now I don't know whether it's going to be enough or not on the table. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Right, now before I start, I got a voucher code off Titan for this, and they gave me a really good discount. They did say try it, and you know, we'll refund. Now, so I did pay for it via Amazon, but contrary to what I thought, Titan mentioned giving me a refund. And you know what? They did. They are true to the word. This company, they're bang on. I don't know why it was so difficult. Maybe they just wanted some commitment from me or something, but yeah. So I've paid and then I got money back. So, you know, I'm doing this review, honest review. I've got to say the company are very honest. This product, I don't know much about it yet. But let's just read through what it says on the back. I mean, it actually shows you some photographs here, look, where it's actually in place in one of these skylights. If you could just see that picture there. That one there, that is identical to what I've got to do. Okay, so different variations of what you can do with it are all on there, look. Dimensions are 320 by 158 and the thickness of it is 34mm. Input voltage is 12 volt. Power consumption 13.2. Phone's going off. 13.2. Airflow 76.4 -280 CFM. I ain't got a clue what that is. Static pressure. Oh, it's going beyond me now. But basically, this is what it's saying up on the box. Adjustable handle clip design for mounting at 380 to 350. Roof windows. Roof window can be closed or opened without dismounting the double fan. Quickly heat transfer and regulated circulation. Equipped Titan exclusive 9-blade silent fans for quiet operation. Reversible airflow reversible airflow control with 6-speed levels, 7 levels with timer settings, and easily operatable panel with RF wireless remote controller which controls up to 3 meters without directional limit. So you can point it to the front of the van, it'll still turn the fan off at the back. That's the way I understand that. It's all written in other languages all the way down here, so they're shipping to all different countries all over the world. But these are designed for the European market and the European skylights. They come well packed as well. I mean, this has come from Amazon. Everything I've had off Amazon recently has come in a box with inside another plastic bag, all sealed. You know, fair play to Amazon. They're doing well. Now I ordered this off the Spanish website. I still got it in 3 or 4 days. I had to pay for the delivery, mind you, but I don't have to pay the delivery in the UK because I've got Amazon Prime. But here we are. Let's just put that there for a minute. I'll just check on who's phoning me, because it might be important. It wasn't important, so I'll just I'll stick my phone on the table and we'll look out for that later. Okay, so well, here we go. Sorry, I've got a cold. You know. So here we're gonna open the box up. I'm going to do it the easy way, and I'm going to open it from the bottom. It's cheating a little bit, but if you know how to close it back up, you're okay. Well packed. Well packed. And what have we got in here? I've got my insect diffuser here, look, getting ready to go off in the van. Anyway, well packed, comes in the box just like that. You can see the controls down here, you can see the controls here, wiring, and there's also some clips inside. Let's get the package into one side, put that over there. It's a nice controller, everything fits into the box perfectly, look at this. Controller here, upside down, minimum and maximum button. So you got minimum, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, maximum. And then we've got in, so that's for blowing the air in or for sucking the air out. Then we've got timers, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 120, 150. That's good, because if you you know, if you wanted to get rid of the cooking smells or something, for you're just going out for the rest of the day and you want to get rid of the cooking smells, you can reverse the fan, suck it out and press the button, 10 minutes, all the cooking smells are gone and sucked out. Or you got it on for 210 minutes. It depends on, obviously, on your own taste, but I would imagine that timer would also work for, like, first when you go to bed on a night when it's hot and it cools down in the night. You could have this on for the first hour, go to sleep, and it'll turn itself off and the temperature drops anyway. So neat, very neat.